Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in case you didn't know, tomorrow is actually National Hobbit Day 2020. So, for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw LEGO Frodo. Now, to start off with this, we're actually going to do it a little bit different, and we're going to start with his head, but we're just going to do kind of like the bottom of his head. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, it's going to come over and up. So we're just going to go down, we're going to kind of curve over, and then we're going to go up like this. Now we want to make his hair. So his hair is kind of wavy, so we're just going to make kind of like a wavy line that goes up here a little bit. So we're just going to make a little wavy line here. And then I'm going to do the same wavy line over here. Now we're going to kind of make a little wavy line going across here. It's going to kind of go up and then back down. So I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line up and then a wavy line back down. Now before we go any further, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw two little lines that go down for the neck. And then I want to draw a line across to connect them. And now I'll finish off the hair. So I'm going to start right back here, and I'm just going to draw kind of like a little wavy line. And then as I go up, I'm just going to make a wavy line on each side. And then I'm going to just kind of connect it with a wavy line across. Now right inside of here I want to draw the eyes. So to start off we're going to make a small oval shape like this, and then we're going to add another small oval shape right here. I'm going to add a small circle inside each one, and then we'll just color these in. Now for the mouth, I'm just going to draw a little smiley face that just kind of curves up a little bit higher on one side. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right underneath there. And then right here I'm just going to add a little line that curves down on each side for the eyebrow, or eyebrows. And then I'm also going to add just a little curved line by each eye. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to just make a line that's just going to go down, it's going to go across, and then come over here for the start of his cape. And then we're going to draw the body before we do the rest of the cape. So the first thing is I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of go out at an angle. They're going to kind of line up with the hair. So I'm going to draw one that goes down like this, and then I'll draw another one that just goes out. Nothing too crazy, just want them to be out a little bit farther. Then I'm going to just kind of curve these. I'm going to go straight across and curve up and connect it to here. Then I'm going to draw two little lines that go down. And I'm going to draw them straight across like this. Now for the feet, you want to draw, you're going to start right here, really close to the edge. You're going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then right in the middle here, you're just going to draw two little lines that just go down. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes across to each one. Then I'm just going to connect these down a little farther on each end. And then I'm just going to go right across here. Now for the arms, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's just going to come over. So we're just going to curve down, and then go over. And then same thing over here, we're just going to curve down, and then we'll just go right over. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two little lines that go down, and I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that curves around, kind of like a circle shape, but we're not going to close off the bottom. We're just going to leave the bottom open. We'll do the same over here. And then I'm just going to redraw that circle shape right inside of here. We'll do the same thing over here, just kind of redraw it, almost like a little letter C. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and curves around, and then I'm just going to curve this around. And I'll do the same thing, go down and curve around, and then I'm just going to curve this one around. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little V shape. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and curves in. And another one right here, it's going to go down and curve in. We'll add another V shape here with a little line. Right here, you want to draw two lines that go down on each side. And then I'm going to make a little wiggly line that goes right to here and over, and then a little line that goes up. Then you can add a few buttons on here. We're going to make a line that goes out and in, another one that goes out and in right here. And then you can put a few little buttons on this side with a couple extra lines. And then I'm just going to make two little lines like this with a couple extra lines around here where the buttons would go into. Then you can also draw some lines with a little curved line underneath for some pockets. And you can always add an extra line or two by the buttons on here. And there's also a few extra lines on the shirt. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve down and then go over. And then same thing here, I'm just going to go out, it's going to go down and then curve over. And then we'll connect it right in between here. Then, starting right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around like this. And then I'm going to draw another one that curves around, and then a little curved line here just to make it look like he's kind of holding on to the ring. And then I know he doesn't really wear it on his back, but I want to kind of put his little sword sting back here. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to go up, over, and then down. I'm going to draw a little line that goes over, that's going to go up, it's going to come across like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up, over, and down. And then I'm going to put a small little circle shape at the end with a few little lines on here for the sword, and a little line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a LEGO Frodo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.